and welcome back to the Channel Car Look. Today, the 2025 Morris Minor is here, and it's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern engineering. With a design that takes inspiration from the classic silhouette of the original Morris Minor, this new model maintains the charm that enthusiasts love while incorporating cutting-edge technology for today's driver. The 2025 version comes with a sleeker body, more aerodynamic lines, and LED lighting, making it a stylish update to a timeless classic. Under the hood, the 2025 Morris Minor offers two engine options: a highly efficient 1.5L turbocharged petrol engine or an all-electric variant for those looking to embrace the future of eco-friendly driving. The electric model boasts an impressive range of over 300 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both city driving and longer trips. The petrol option, on the other hand, delivers excellent fuel efficiency without compromising on performance, with a smooth ride that's ideal for everyday use. Inside, the cabin has been completely reimagined for modern comfort. You'll find high-quality materials throughout, with a minimalist dashboard design featuring a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2025 Morris Minor also comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring a safe and smooth driving experience. Despite its compact size, the new Morris Minor offers surprising interior space, with comfortable seating for up to 4 passengers and a decent amount of cargo space in the rear. But don't think the 2025 Morris Minor is just about practicality. It's also a joy to drive. Thanks to its lightweight design and nimble handling, it feels quick and responsive on the road, whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising on the highway. The electric version, in particular, offers instant torque, delivering a punchy acceleration that will put a smile on your face. The 2025 Morris Minor is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who appreciate classic style but don't want to sacrifice modern features. This new model pays homage to its roots while paving the way for the future of automotive design. Stay tuned for more updates and a full test drive review. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.